to fade away.
What's up guys, so today we are on the beautiful island of Cebu in the Philippines and we are going to be swimming with whale sharks. So, the Philippines is an island nation in Southeast Asia. It's officially the Republic of the Philippines. It's bounded by the Philippine Sea to the east, the Celebes Sea to the south, the Sulu Sea to the southwest, and the South China Sea to the west and the north. Situated in the western Pacific Ocean, it consists of over 7,500 islands that are broadly categorized under three main divisions. And I personally can't pronounce these, so I'm just going to put them on the screen. Cebu is an island and province in the Philippines in this region, and it is comprised of Cebu Island and more than 150 smaller surrounding islands and islets. Its capital, Cebu City, is a prosperous port capital, bustling city, and the gateway to tons of adventure. Cebu has exotic mouthwatering street foods, including the best tasting lechon in the world, as said by Anthony Bourdain himself. It is stunning pristine beaches, amazing diving spots, more waterfalls than anyone could count, mountains, rich history, tons of friendly and amazing people, and a huge international airport making it super accessible. It's an amazing tropical destination to add to your bucket list. So let's get into what you guys came here for, whale sharks. On the south end of the island in Oslob, this is where you can go swimming with the whale sharks, and while you can free dive and scuba dive, the most popular and widespread tourist activity is snorkeling with the whale sharks. This is one of the coolest bucket list adventures I've ever done in my life, and it's definitely super terrifying, but it's so incredible swimming with these massive gentle giants. I've been lucky enough to go twice in my life on two separate Philippines trips in 2017 and 2018.
It'd be easier for me. Oh, but there's something holding on with the way we're long gone. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. To stay.
So whale sharks range in length from about 18 to 33 feet, and they are a whopping 41,000 pounds. It's unbelievable. One thing, it's important not to touch a whale shark because it can harm them, so just enjoy swimming with them, but make sure not to touch them and keep a little bit of distance between you. They are the largest fish in the world. They're actually not whales, they are sharks, even though they do have a lot in common with whales. Despite their size, they do not pose any threat to humans, which is awesome. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this little bit of kind of like a Cebu mini travel guide of the Philippines. If you're in Cebu, if you're going to the Philippines, definitely add swimming with whale sharks to your bucket list. Even if you're a little bit scared of the idea, it is so incredible and I promise you, you won't get hurt. You'll have an amazing travel experience to go home with and that you'll have forever. So highly recommend. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It helps out big time. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.